Hello. We would like to take this opportunity to share with you some of the changes that have taken place in our service department over the last couple of weeks. Changes that will affect the level of service you will receive and the location in which these services will be performed. With the recent addition of our Jeep store, we grew from 14 service bays to 26 service bays, all with the thought of being able to provide a better quality product in a timelier manner. To best serve our customers, we are moving forward into 2 new platforms: Express Service and Diagnostic Service. Located at our new Jeep store, our Express services consist of oil changes, tire rotations, and other light maintenance to help keep your vehicle running at optimal performance. Located at our Chrysler, Dodge, Ram, Fiat stores, our diagnostic services are for vehicles that require a more extensive diagnosis to determine the part or system failure. Then, we'll recommend the proper repair to get your vehicle back on the road. At Fusz, we are committed to providing you with the best possible service available, and we hope that these changes will give us the opportunity to better utilize our facilities to ensure that your service needs are performed professionally, timely, and respectfully. Thank you for choosing Fusz.